Morning student, today we are going to start chapter 4 fractions. Let's understand fraction. A fraction represent an equal part of a whole thing. This is our one circle. This circle I have cut half. It means this is a 1 upon 2. Now I am cutting this in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now each part I am dividing. First 1 upon 4. First in down we write total parts, and which part we are taking, that part we write up. So 1 upon 4. Now we are using 2. So 2 upon 4. Now we are using 3. 3 upon 4. We are using 4. So 4 upon 4. So first upside always numerator and downward number is our denominator. Okay, always up number is our numerator and down number is our denominator. See this 1 upon 8, it means 1 is our numerator and 8 is our denominator. So let's understand our proper fraction. Types of fraction. First, in a proper fraction, denominator is always more than numerator. Denominator means down digit. Down digit is always more than numerator. For example is here, numerator is 2 and denominator is 6. And denominator is more than numerator. It means this is a proper fraction number. Example is here 1 upon 8. 1 upon 1 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Is a proper fraction as the numerator is less than the denominator 8. Now second, if the numerator is more than denominator, in this one numerator is more, it is an improper fraction. Example 7 upon 2. See here 7 numerator, 2 is our denominator. In this one see here numerator is 1 or here is 7. This is the difference. 7 is more than this compared to this number, and here denominator is more compared to this number. A fraction can represent any part of a set. Some like fraction have same denominator. Like fraction always have denominators are same. Example 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 7 upon 8. In these one all see here 8 are denominators. Unlike fraction have different denominator. In unlike fraction denominators are different. See here in example 2, 3, 5. Here is a different denominator, that's why it is unlike, and here the denominators are same. This means this is like fraction. Unit fraction are those number whose numerator is 1. In unit fraction always numerator is 1. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, these are examples. See here numerator are 1. Here also 1, here also 1. We write 1 upon 4, it means this is also unit fraction, and we will write 2 upon 4. See now we reduce this, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It means this is also our unit fraction. And we write 3 upon 2, it is not, because 3 is here not numerator. Numerator always 1 in unit fraction. Equivalent fraction are those which have the same value, even though the numerator and denominator are different. See here denominator are different but value will come same. 1 upon 2, 4 upon 8, 8 upon 16. 1 upon 2, now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 1 upon 2 came, now 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. See here 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, this value also come 1 upon 2, this value also come 1 upon 2. It means these are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction those which have the same value. Okay, mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. And which one is our proper fraction? In proper fraction, denominators are more than numerator. Okay? Denominator more than numerator. So, combination of whole number and proper fraction. See here, 4 and 1 upon 18. 4 is our whole number and 1 upon 18 is a proper fraction. So, 4 whole number we say 4 whole number 1 upon 80, this one answer. Let's understand exercise. Question 1. Write an equivalent fraction for each of the following using multiplication. In this one we are using multiplication. Answer 2 upon 3 multiply by 2. Here also multiply by 2. Okay. We are taking directly 2 table. We will not take 1. Because 1 we will take, so same number will come. So we write 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. This is our answer. Same as B part. 1 upon 2 and then multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Question 2. Write an equivalent fraction for each of the following using division. In this one we will use division. Division we will use 10 upon 16 divided by 2 divided by 2. 2 table 10 times, 10 will come 5 times. In 2 table 16 will come 8 times. Now 5 and 8. These number will not come in any table. That's why this is our answer. 8 upon 16, 8, 16. 8 will come again. 2 table and this will also come. 2 table 4 times and this will come 8 times. Again we take table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We are taking directly also 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. What I have done here, 1 2 3, 3 times. Question number 3. Check through cross multiplication and find whether the following pairs of fraction are equivalent or not. So cross multiplication and in place of and we will put cross multiply. 2 upon 3, 6 upon 9. Cross multiply. See here 2 multiply 9 and this 3 multiply 6. What will become? 2 9s are 18 and 3 6 are 18. Both are same. It means it is equivalent fraction. Now B part same as cross multiply. 3 upon 4, 9 upon 12. Cross multiply. 3 multiply 12 and 4 multiply 9. 12 3s are 36 and 9 4s are 36. Both are same. This is also equivalent fraction. Question 4. Change these into a mixed number or whole number. We change 6 upon 4. 6 and 4 will in which table come? 2 table. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 2 3s are and 2 2s are 4. This will come this like this. Now we change in mixed fraction. So first we divide 3. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 1. Now our denominator same will come and our quotient will come here and remainder will come here. This is our whole mixed fraction. One whole number 1 upon 2. Same as 12 upon 4. 4 table will come 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 3 upon 1. In one table 3 will come 3 times. Answer will come 3. Question 7. Reduce the following fraction to the lowest form. 20 upon 25, table of 5 it will come. 5 fours are 5 fives are. 5 fours are 5 fives are. Now you see this 4 upon 5, this is a proper fraction or improper fraction. Denominator more or numerator is less. Which fraction it is? Improper fraction. That's why we are not converting in mixed fraction. Now 24 upon 39. In which table? 3 table, 3 8s are. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 8 upon 13. Now see, this is also our improper fraction because numerator is more than. Question number 9. Subtract and reduce the following. Reduce the lowest form. See here, denominator are not same. First we make denominator same. So we are taking LCM. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and then 2 1s are 2. Our LCM will come 6. So here we make LCM 6 in 3 table. 6 will come 2 times. We do multiply with denominator and with numerator. Then subtraction sign 1 upon 6. This will come in 1 time. 6 1s are 6. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. 1 1s are 1. 6 1s are 6. Now 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. And this denominator we write only 1 time because these are same. And same denominator, it means these are like fraction. 4 minus 1, 3 and 6. Now we reduce it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So our answer come 1 upon 2. Now B part. In B part you see denominators are same. Denominators are same. These are in like fraction. So we will do subtraction directly. 5 minus 2 and denominators are same. We write 1 time. 5 minus 3, 2. 3 will come upon 9. Now we reduce. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 1 upon 3 is our answer. Now let's stop today's class here. I will send you your home assignment with this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.